Hi everyone, quick disclaimer, Master of the Markets and myself, ASX Trader, is a corporate authorised representative of ShareX Australia. This information is provided as for educational purposes only and does not constitute financial investment advice. A little bit about me, I've got a Bachelor of Education, I was a primary school teacher for a long time, certified financial technician through the International Federation of Technical Analysis, and a certified level 1 Elliotician. All right, let's get into it. Thanks for tuning in, everyone. This video is sponsored by Moomoo. Before I kick into the charts, I just want to remind you about our GC Live Inside the Markets on the Gold Coast on the 21st of June. Okay, tickets are now $249. Well done to those that got in on the early bird. We've got over 100 people coming now. It's going to be a phenomenal event. You've got myself, Craig, all experts in our field that will be going through the markets. This will be a hands-on event, guys. I will be actually treating this like I used to treat my classrooms back at school. Okay, so the idea of it is when I'm teaching online, there are a lot of things I cannot do. Okay, I'll be treating this like my classroom. It'll be very hands-on. Make sure you bring your laptops. There's going to be lots of questions, lots of group work. I'll be putting up charts, removing tickers, removing bias, having you guys discuss, do you think it's bullish or bearish and why? Let's look at it. You know, it'll be lots of networking, lots of good teamwork, lots of good learning, the kind of learning you can't get online. Okay, you can't get group collaborative learning online, which is how I used to run half my classrooms. Okay, I never used to just stand up and dictate stuff to students while they sit there, which is all you can really do online. Well, kind of. But that's the great thing about these live events is that we can actually be hands-on. You can bounce ideas of each other. We can walk around and help you guys. It's that stuff that you can't get elsewhere. We've kept the tickets really low just to cover the cost of the venue, so we can get lots of people there and just share the love. Because as you guys have seen with things like silver, platinum, all that breaking out, these are the kind of things that I'll be showing you on the day of removing the emotion, teaching you guys a few tricks, a few key things that I always look for, my non-negotiables within the market, and a few extra little things that really help. Then I'll be putting up some tickers that you won't know what the tickers are to see whether or not you think you like it or not, okay? And then you'll walk away out of there knowing what's looking good long-term or not and being able to apply something straight away. If you're a beginner, you'll absolutely love it. Even if you're an experienced trader, you will absolutely love it. I guarantee you'll walk away with a few light bulb moments from that day because I hear it every single time. Okay, but enough of there. Let's get into the markets. Oh, if you do want it, I'll leave the link in the description so you can follow on, okay, in a few weeks' time. All right, let's kick off first of all with our beautiful silver. All right, so last week's article was all about silver. Last week's YouTube was all about silver. The reason why I say article is because my next News Corp article was about silver. As you can see here, posted it yesterday at midday and was saying, hey, silver part 2. And I was saying, link it back to the other one because I knew it was coming. Unfortunately, it broke out last night. So by the time the article comes out on Monday, it's going to be a little bit late, but the idea was there and I knew it was coming. All right. So from silver, the great thing about this is we have now, let me just show you a bit of big picture stuff because people are going to be wanting to take profits, and let me just show you where we're at. Okay, so if you look here, you can see that we got through the possible zags, and like if this was bearish, it would have gone and here and gone it. As you guys know, I love it when you go into a zag zone, come in, put in a high low, and then you get through. To me, that's a trade I take every day of the week. What we've now done is we've come up through that. We've come back, tested that support, and we've continued. This is extremely bullish. Like these are the trades I take on all time frames, hourly, 5-minute, daily, every day of the week. Like my textbook setup, which is into the zag, higher low, and through the 618. So silver's done that on the weekly chart. Okay, so this will have no worries going back up to the high. Once you get up to the high, you're probably going to get your normal sellers coming in. Somewhere between this 43 and 48, you'll get some sellers coming in. Doesn't mean that it will reject, but it just means you might get a bit of a consolidation or something like that to kind of pause and chill off a bit. Okay, but we should have a nice clear run up to there. Probably get some kind of, pullback consolidation for a little bit there, which would align with the real estate cycle of that 2026 kind of thing. And then from there, we take out the highs, and then it's just blue sky territory from there. People always say, what are your targets? I'm not even thinking about selling silver till I see triple digits. Not even thinking about it. And even then, when we get over $100, It's only if what I need to do is see everything that I see now in silver being undervalued going the other way, overvalued. Okay. And I don't think that's coming anytime soon. You've got many years to go. So yeah, it's really exciting to get on stuff. Like MTM students have been in it from literally here, March 2024, right there. That was our point. And that's when I posted all over social media that I started going really bullish on silver. I hadn't talked about silver at all until that point. Okay. I was a real gold nut. As you guys know, I was streaming gold from the rooftops back below 2000, 1600, 1800 in particular. But now the value's in other metals, not gold. Okay. If you didn't get gold 2 years ago, you haven't missed it, but you've missed, it's doubled since then. You've missed a significant upside. Silver, platinum, other ones like that are only still just beginning. So that is an official non-failure swing reversal of the bigger from 2011. So we've just put in a major macro reversal on silver. Probably wondering why. Let's look at some macro charts now. Okay, this is the gold to Dow ratio. This is how much gold it takes to pull up to buy the Dow Jones Industrial right now. Okay, these are your major, let me just get up the log, major bottom when it's undervalued. This is the Great Depression. This is the energy crisis. This is the tech bubble. This is now. Whenever we change market structure in the bigger time frame through, commodities will outperform equities. That's where we go into a commodity super cycle, which is what I've been screaming from the rooftops for a couple of years now, and tongue, and there's so many things telling these kind of things. As you can see here, we've come down and we have changed. So we changed market structure here, which is where I went really bullish on thing at the end of last year. But now we've changed it on this one here, come back and we've retested. So this is what I talked about with the MTM students on Sunday, is that we've broken out, we've come back, we've tested the zag zone, and now we're bouncing off it. Okay, so once we get above there, you just watch how fast your commodities and things will start taking off. But yeah, looking really, really strong on the commodity side there. So a few key ones I talked about with silver. USL was one that I like on the Australian market for that. So that one here, we got in at 21.5, I think it was. Let me just check USL. Can't remember now. USL. That's March 14th. That's from there. Here we go. USL. So May 22nd. So stop light. So yeah, put it here. And we're here at 21.5. And I was like, we're taking off from here. Just beautiful increase in volume. So what was that? That was May 22nd. So about 2 weeks ago. From there, we're up about 20%. But now we will gap up over here, which would be a nice breakaway gap through that major level. And again, non-phase swing. Why they're selling higher, why they're buying higher, and then continuation there. So USL is looking really good. Like, look at this. When I can pull it up. Look at this volume that it's got coming in. Like, beautiful increase in volume there. Buying pressure through the roof. See it on the weekly as well. Just fantastic looking chart. So that one there, so that there is what's called an expanding leading diagonal. So it's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And what you'll have is wave 1 is the shortest, wave 3 is medium, and 5 is the biggest. And it does this crocodile mouth. It's an accumulation zone. I think Jesse Livermore calls it the accumulation cylinder in his thing as well. Then you get your wave 2 retracement. Sometimes these come down really deep, and then we've got takeoff. Okay. It's exactly what happened on Apple back in the day. Like, if you look at Apple before it took off, if you go all the way back here, let's go log, because Apple's run so much it's hard to see. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and it's that accumulation like crocodile mouth, and then after that you take off. Okay, so it's a similar kind of setup. So that's looking good. ARD's looking good. Same thing, like, look at this buying volume on this guy. Like, this is a fantastic looking chart. We got into this one back here on the breakout of the ending diagonal. Okay, so I've still got it here at, I didn't get 11, I got 14 cents, I think it was. So I got in once it broke up here. But I've added into my trading account as well just recently. So yeah, again, beautiful increase in volume. That'll come up through there as well. And that's fantastic looking chart as well. Like plenty of upside on this RSI now. Like that's gone from there into your hidden bullish. And yeah, once we clear that kind of 30, that one's looking really nice as well. But same kind of setup. SS1. Again, notice the pattern. All got beautiful volume coming in. That one in particular, you can see here. I always love these patterns. It's very rare to see the double liquidity bottom like that. So see buying, bottom, buying there. So why are they buying higher? So once we get above there, beautiful little accumulation off there on increase in volume. Fantastic. Plenty of upside to come. BML is another one, which I know is quite lead based as well, but good to like, look at this. Beautiful here. So here you've got your, again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, expanded leading diagonal. And then you've got your pullback into the zag zone and then a breakout. So again, that one's looking really nice now, pull back to the zag zone. So BML is ready to roll. And if we look at their silver ETFs, so big major breakout, which is what I talked about last week. So that's fantastic. And from there, we are very close to now. And again, look at this. We are very close to breaking out of a massive range that we have not broken out of for a very long time. So when we break out above here, 2016. So you're going to be breaking out of nearly a 10-year sideways range on look beautiful increase in volume, which is always what you're looking for. So again, this thing here, $50, it's still down from the top of the GFC at 9. So it's still like nearly 50% down from the GFC. That's how cheap silver is. And in particular, the miners are from 20 years ago. SIL-J is your junior miners, ETF junior miners. So guys, these are American ones, so SIL and SILJ, etc. You can't buy them on the Australian exchange. So that's why we've partnered with Moomoo. So if you guys want to sign up to Moomoo, come to our website. Again, I'll have the link in the description. Come to community, or you'll see this little thing here. Can we get your free month? Here, Moomoo, if you follow these instructions and you sign up to Moomoo, you'll also get a free month to Academy, which is where we're posting stuff like this all the time, like charts, setups. You've got to remember, I've now trained hundreds and hundreds of students that have gone through an intensive 12-month course, like every day for a minimum an hour a day for 12 months, like little mini-me's running around, just scanning the market, just posting opportunities left, right, and center. Like it's like our own scanning software because we've just got so many students that are just absolutely crashing it. So, it's not just a normal community. It is a highly trained community that's in there just posting wins left, right, and center. So you'll see what it's all about. Check it out for a month. But the main thing you're after is that Moomoo, because Moomoo has $3 trades in, $3 trades out, the cheapest in Australia, chest sponsored. So if it ever goes under, your stuff's protected, but it does Aussie and America. And the bad thing about silver in Australia is there's not much of it in Australia. Like there's only one producer, which is ADT, which I think is being taken over anyway. So if you want to really get great exposure, you got to go outside into the US. And the best ones are that SIL, SILJ, because you're not taking that key risk management of, mine could go down or some kind of announcement can come out. You're playing the theme. But if you then want to play the individuals, that's where you've got ones like, well, let me just show you SIL-J first. So this will be exposure to all the silver junior miners. So you'll notice here as well, this one, again, beautiful move up. This had the impulse up, and then let me just show you this. So here you've got your impulse up from the bottom here. So impulse up, and then 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And then this is what's called an expanded flat. Take out the high, take out the low, and then you break up. I've shown you guys this before. The biggest moves that happen in asset classes happen after an expanded flat. If you go back on even the SP 500, they've happened after the Great Depression, tech bubble, 70s. The major bull markets have all happened after. The reason why is because they clear out everyone. They clear out the longs, they clear out the shorts, and then they go. So that's their design. They're called the liquidity hunters because they get everyone on the wrong side of the market before they take off, which is what has happened. what I've said with silver is everyone's really frustrated because it was bullish. And then what did we do? From May last year, we've gone sideways and shaked everyone out. And now we go. Like, this is what accumulation zones are supposed to do. They're supposed to frustrate people because you're like, why isn't it just going up only? You know, we live in a microwave society. Yeah, I love that saying by Warren Buffett. The stock market is a machine for sending money from the patient to the, inpatient to the patient. He means long-term, but it works in everything because that's it. People don't want to get rich slowly. They want to pick a meme coin that 100x's and changes the world overnight. It's not realistic. All right. So patience is a virtue, guys. I cannot tell you how easy this stuff can be if you just let it be. Let the market do the heavy lifting. You know, it's because we're designed to think you've got to work harder to get more money, because that's what we're told as kids. You've got to work hard, got to do this, got to get good grades, got to do really well at school and then work and to get more money. Trading investing is actually the opposite. Do less, get more. The more you do, the worse you become because you're overthinking, you're overanalyzing, you overtrade, and you actually get worse results. Okay, so you will be your own worst enemy. Try and not let that happen. Anyway, let's go. So again, SIL, SIJ on the American market. So you'll need something like Moo in order to buy them. You can't get them on the Australian. These next ones as well, PAAS. So Pan American has just now broken up here as well after a beautiful, and what I really love about this one is this. So see how we're going up on beautiful increase in volume, but this is going down. That's where we go. This is where people get confused about bearish. They go, oh, this is bearish of it. No, this is bearish into hidden, into there, into hidden. So this is actually extremely bullish. Okay, because what it's now done is reset the RSI back down the 40s. Then it's got room to go. This is what these, remember, bearish divergence means reversal or consolidation. That's your consolidation. It's ready to move now. Okay, again, we got in this one back here, back in March, but I've been yelling it to the new guys that have just come in as well from here. So again, you're breaking out of a nice 1 year consolidation zone here. Really fantastic on beautiful volume as well. Again, that's on the American markets. AG has been a bit of a lagger, which is one of the biggest producers in, oh, look at that. Beautiful, got it. So yeah, we talked about this lag zone here, and now you've broken up through there. So that's a beautiful, that one's still really cheap. Like if you look at where it is back here, like that's, again, that's the top of the GFC at 28, so 8. So even a 3x from here will still put it under the GFC prices. Okay. Don't know why the weekly's off there, but the daily looks fantastic. Look at this, beautiful. But yeah, nice, beautiful gap up, breakaway gap through there as well, and big, beautiful increase in volume. And then my other one I'm in, which has been my big winner from the thing, is CDE Mining. So this one I'm up. It's tripled since I bought it. But we talked about this one breaking out here from the massive long-term decline as well, from back here in 95. So this one I got back down here. Got like, yeah, $3 something when it broke out of here. So that one's up more than triple. But that was back in March last year. Only the OGs, so my original 12-month course, and maybe some of the AGs would have known about that one. And yeah, still got it then. All right. So that's silver, guys, looking really, really good. If you, my article, make sure you jump on that. On Monday, you'll start to read. It's a follow-up article to the first one. I was really bullish on silver when I did the article about 2 months ago as well. So yeah, looking really, really good there. All right, following on to now platinum. So platinum broke out of its key level, which was really good as well. This was one that I talked about with the guys on the weekly outlook here. And we're at this resistance, and I said, we have to now, like this could have been a 3-wave move, just like this, 1, 2, 3. So we needed to get this, which is exactly what it did. So it's followed it perfectly. So platinum has now moved into, it's not a corrective move, it's impulsive, which is what we thought it was. We luckily had Shane post his platinum thing, and this is the beauty of having a certified master Elliotician. He kind of helps us identify where we could be in the count. Like, look at this accumulation zone as well. It's been accumulating for like nearly 5 years, just huge, and broken above for the first time. So for those that are in early, you're loving life, you still haven't missed it, guys. Like, it's still literally big money will only just be getting in now. So yeah, don't think you've missed anything. It's still really, really early days. So here, so you can, like I said, everyone's talking about platinum in here. Joe's talking about platinum gold, platinum silver update. He's really seen the ratios, which is really great to look into that. Here's me talking about the physical backed one. And I really like platinum a long time. I've added it into my investment portfolio. So I just pull this one up here. So this is when we were down at, so platinum was down at the low 900s. And this was when the Trump tariffs came in. So yeah, really like platinum long term. I've added into my investment portfolio. So I added massively into my platinum account, which was here on that move there. So yeah, my account's really loving that investment. It was the perfect timing. And again, all my reactive TA was looking good. But the other thing that really helped out as well was, let me just go back, type that in again, platinum, is that we had Shane. So playing Shane here. So he, as a master certified elitician, puts in the different counts as well to help out. And he makes it real visual and easy to see where you're at in the cycle. So knowing that's wave one, nice wave two accumulation zone. Knowing that we're at the end of wave two, what comes after wave two? Wave three, the public participation, the biggest move. So knowing that we were at the end of the triangle, knowing what's coming, having that master elitician also aligned with my thought process as well, just really helped with the thesis that, yes, I see it going up. He sees it in the count. Fantastic, nice confluency to then get that move. And yeah, now that's up a good, 20% from there on the ETF. Some of the miners are looking even better. And on that one, again, there's not much exposure on the ASX, but Zim was the one that I did get as it's really the only producer. So we don't have many choices. So beautiful ending diagonal, you come up, non-failure swing. So I've talked about this one. So Zim, I'm in from back here anyway, but even now, once you get that confirmed reversal above $14, that's still a phenomenal. Again, it was up at $40 just recently, a couple of years ago. So beautiful entry there on Zim as well. CHN is a bit more of an explorer with it, but again, looking really nice here. So this one finally broke through the decline here, change of market structure. It's just sitting on that thing. So once it clears there, as you can see, it broke through here. This is one I posted about just literally on Thursday, yesterday. So yeah, 19 hours ago, just saying, has officially changed market structure, and we just got to get through that and just some key levels to watch to see where it is. Okay, and that will be, again, beautiful bullish divergence off that low. So looking like a liquidity bottom to grab the stops. Good increase in volume, just looking really nice, that Chalice mine in there. But we will not know for sure until it gets above here. Once it gets above that $2 mark, then the accumulation zone is done. Okay, so just waiting for that. And then love and life. I've talked about this one a million times, big picture. This is the big zag zone over the whole thing. Just looking really, really nice here as well. And then another one, which is a bit different, and I'm not going to go too many because I'd rather do quality over quantity here, guys, because what happens is I put too many out there, then too many to kind of track. So silver, platinum, big play right now. One other one I want you to look at is BUB. So I know the FA's just done the turnaround. I think they've even turned into profitability right now as well. So I think the fundamentals are turning around, but the technicals are looking really good. You've got an ending diagonal on double bullish divergence, good increase in volume, and you're about to get a non-failure swing reversal off an accumulation zone. So if you look here, so again, I'll go to the weekly to be able to see it better. So can you see here, you've got beautiful ending diagonal, and see how that last low volume didn't match it, bullish divergence, and now that's moving into a non-failure swing. And see how they're buying off here again? Why are they buying there again and there? What's that? What's the point of that? It's your liquidity bottom. Okay, grab the stops, stop everyone out, and go. So yeah, BUB is looking really nice as well. But I'll just leave it there, guys. I will be in Melbourne this weekend, so if you're around, say g'day. But I'm going down for the AG graduation. Yeah, can't wait to see everyone down there. If you liked the video, please like and subscribe and share the love. All right, take care, everyone.